going to do 2 unboxings and then 2 company hauls. So I'm going to show you some unboxings. One will be the Amazebox from Limelife by ALCONE. And then my next unboxing will be Fabfitfun Style, their box. And then the haul videos that I'm going to do, I'm just going to show you what I ordered from the MONAT hair product line, as well as what I ordered just from Limelife. So I'm just going to do the haul part first, and I'm just going to start off with Limelife. If you haven't heard of Limelife, it is a professional grade makeup company started in New York, and it is used by professional makeup artists for celebrities such as J-Lo, Beyonce, and Kim Kardashian has also used our products. It was originally started where only makeup artists could buy the products, but they have since opened it up and created what's called beauty guides. And they as in we sell the products, and we just allow you guys to try these awesome based products. Sorry, my dog wants to play. So one thing that's really cool is recently we have partnered with Ali Raisman. So she created the Fierce line. And what she created, she came up with 3 eyeshadow palettes. She came up with 4 enduring eyeliners, and they're duo, so you actually get 8 eyeliners. And then she came out with 6 perfect lipsticks. And every order comes with this little booklet, as well as what is remaining of our holiday collection. So it goes through the booklet and everything that you can find for our holiday collection. I will link everything down below too, so if you have any questions about where I got the products, you can find everything below. Let's get into what I ordered from Limelife. So I am just a beauty guide for them, so I sell their products. So this order that I did was really, really small. I only got 2 things. But they have skincare, and then they have makeup. So everything that I'm wearing today is Limelife products. Their foundation, translucent powder, the eyeshadows, the mascara, and then during lip color. This color is Ruby Chocolate. So what I did, I was running out of space for my eyeshadows. And everything that's I'm showing you is 50% pigmented. So their eyeshadows, their lips, colors, everything is 50% pigmented. The company is vegan. It is paraben free. We are cruelty free, so we love our animals. Leaping Bunny certified. I love chickens. So yeah, that is everything right now that I can think of. And we also just do really great skincare products as well. So the basic thing that I ordered just from Limelife recently was a new eyeshadow. This one is called Pretty Penny. It is like a copper penny color, and it is a shimmer. And then, because I was running out of room to put my eyeshadows, I got the 18 Well eyeshadow palette. And it's really nice because you just pop it in here and it's magnetic, so it's not gonna fall out. And the holes back here, if you ever wanna get your eyeshadows out, you just take a bobby pin or something sharp and poke it through. So I will fill the rest of these in, so I'm really excited. And that is what I got from Limelife. Everything has a watercolor print on it too, which is really fun. So while we're just talking about Limelife, I'm gonna go into the unboxing of the Amazebox. So this is a $38 subscription box. It ships to you every month. This box is worth about $90. So I got it for $38. It has about $90 worth of product in here. I actually added up earlier. It's $92 to be specific. You're probably wondering, why does your box look like a birthday cake? Well, it is Limelife's 5th birthday this February. It was actually on February 5th. So they came out with a whole new birthday collection, which is really awesome. So you're gonna open the box, and this is what it looks like on the inside. Typically, it always says amaze yourself. So you're always going to get a what's inside. It's gonna go through the products. You're always gonna get a quote card. This month's quote says, "The more you praise and celebrate your life, the more there is in life to celebrate. And that is Oprah Winfrey, and I could not agree more, Oprah. You always will get a sticker as well. This is so cute. The L is for Limelife. And then it looks like they threw in a free gift for us too, so I will show you everything. Just to show you how well everything is packaged. They really care about their packaging. So the first thing in here is our Time Setter Makeup Finish Spray. This is meant to last up to 16 hours, okay? So this is actually the mini. This is the 2 ounces. They have a bigger version. We have 2 types of setting sprays. We have an oil strike, so if you have oily skin, you spray that on, it's gonna whisk away your oil. This one is the oil-free setting spray. So it's just gonna give you the nice matte finish that I have. And you're just gonna spray it all over your face, and that will last up to 16 hours. I will say my world changed when I tried this. I used to be a preschool teacher, so I was out sweating every day in the hot Iowa sun. The humidity is unbelievable here during the winters. During the summers, it's winter now. This makeup would stay on, and I was so impressed. The next product, so the setting spray is $16. And then, so the next product is one of our best-selling products. It is called Sotox. This is Botox in a bottle. It's going to help reduce your fine lines and your wrinkles. It's going to give you a more youthful-looking skin. This uses songai mushrooms as well as sea algae, so that's really awesome. What I do is I take a small pump every night and I put it on my forehead because that is an area that wrinkles a lot, and right in here in my T-zone. Okay, so that is the full-size product. You're always guaranteed 1 full-size product. Last month we got 3 full-size products, which was awesome. This is worth $48. Like I said, you spent $38 to get the box, and you've already gotten so much more than you paid, which is awesome. The next thing is our Make Off Removing Spray. This stuff is wonderful. It only has 3 ingredients, which is really great. So I have sensitive skin, so all these products work so well for me. What you're gonna do is you're gonna spray it all over your face, and you're gonna let it sit there for like a few seconds, and then you're gonna be able to just wipe it away. We also have Make Off wipes, so once you have wiped, we recommend going in with this and then wiping the rest with the Make Off wipes. That is also a full-size product, and that is worth $18, and this was their special gift to us this month. So that's really fun. And then, last but not least, we got a mini enduring lip color. This is so cute. I love the mini products that they give. This shade is called Birthday Cake. It is their new nude lip color that they came out with for their 5th birthday. And this is what that looks like. It is so gorgeous. Ooh, sorry, that swatch is horrible. But this is our first nude color from our company, so I'm just so excited about that. So that was the box. It is worth $92, and you pay $38 for it. I also think the Amazebox is such a great way to try our products if you don't know where to start, because I didn't know where to start. And then I got it, and I love it. Okay, the next thing. This is my second haul. So I recently started buying MONAT, and when I say recently, this is my first order. One of the girls I went to high school with sells it, and my hair needs some serious help, you guys. So I joined her to be a VIP in her group, and so because my first order was over $84, I got a free gift. So it came in this cute bubble bag, and it says MONAT on it. Let's see what it is. Oh, that's so cute. So it says only for you. I believe that's because I am a VIP. That is correct. The flexible hold gel. So it says that it blocks high humidity and frizz for up to 72 hours, which is fun. It provides 24-hour touchable control without being stiff, which is, you know, a lot of times with hair gel, that happens. Your hair gets stiff. So it tells you how to use it, and my products are in here. I'm really excited. Let's open this bad boy up. So there are 3 products in here. The first one is the Volumizing Revive Shampoo. So what Lauren, she is my MONAT person. That is so good. She told me you should always wash your hair twice with shampoo, which I didn't know. She said that the first wash is to get everything out of it, like the dirt and the oils, and then the second wash is actually just cleaning it. And then I believe, okay, yes, this is the Volumizing Revitalized Conditioner. Obviously my hair is pretty flat, so I need all the volume that I can get. So I was really excited to try that. And then the third thing here is the Restore Leave-In Conditioner. So she said that I can use that, obviously, after I wash my hair. So that is what I got from MONAT. I'm really excited to try the product. Become a VIP customer with the link that I give you. You get a $20 credit on the next order that you place. So not the first order, but the next order. And then you'll get a birthday treat. And you get, if you become a VIP, you get 15% off all products. And then on top of your 15% discount already, you can earn more discounts. So if you order $116 worth, you get the 15% off discounts. If you order $150 worth, you get the 20% discount on top of the 15%. And then if you order $250, you get a 25% discount on top of the 15%, which is really cool. And then the Only For You products, everything, the Only For You is when you spend more than $84, and then everything, the product that you get will be retailed over $25 or valued at. And then you get a birthday treat, which is fun. And then they also give you special offers. So if you care about your hair, I would recommend trying that. Okay, now let's get into my Fabfitfun style. So I have only ever done Stitch Fix, and then I found out that Fabfitfun was doing a style box, and I got real excited about it. So let's see how they compare. The first thing, oh, what is this? Okay, so the first thing in here is a little journal. It says Style Musings on it. They give you a pencil. It looks like that has some wording on it. And then a measuring tape. Okay, Style Musings, Fabfitfun Style. It's a nice notebook. Skylar. Sorry. Skylar. And then they give you a nice pencil. Hi. And then a measuring tape. That's really fun. Okay, so let's see what's in my box. Ooh, so the first thing is this really cute shirt. This is, what just fell? This is totally my style. I love like vintage floral. This is so me. All right, let's see how much that is. Okay, so with the Fabfitfun style, I have used Stitch Fix before. They give you a 25% discount if you keep all the items. It's looking like that is the same for Fabfitfun style. And then there is also a $20 styling fee as well, and that is the same for Stitch Fix. So it looks like here that this shirt is worth $36. If I keep all 6 items, it looks like I have, it'll actually be $27. So let's see what else is in the box. This is cute. Right. What? Oh, my lighting got real weird. Okay, so this is cute. This shirt has a cute little tie in the front of it. It looks like this retails for $38. If I keep all the items, it will be $28.50. Ooh, everything I have is like super soft. This army green long sleeve shirt has a cute design down here. Looks like this retails for $59. If I keep all the products, it'll be $44.25. This next one is this really cute sweater. It can button down if you, yep, here are the buttons. Here they are. It's a shorter sweater, but that is so cute and it's super soft. This retails for $68. If I keep all products, it'll be $51. Ooh, and then we got some jeans, y'all. Look at those. Hopefully these fit. I'm a pretty short person, so finding jeans is pretty complicated, but these look really nice and they feel really heavy duty. These are $78. If I keep all products, it'll be $58.50. And then, oh my gosh, you guys, this is so cute. Look at this jacket. It looks so warm. It looks like a bomber jacket. I think it is. This is super, super cute. All right, so it is called the Teddy Bomber Jacket. It does, it looks like a teddy bear. And that retails for $98. If I keep all products, it'll be $73.50. With the keep all discount, it'll be $94.25 off. So the total box that I will pay for all the products will be $262.75. And I feel like I need to show you my dog just because I've been talking to him the whole time. Say hi. Can you look at the camera? Can you say hi? Look. No, not feeling it? Are you nervous? I love you. Okay, all right. Okay, so that is everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any requests for any type of video, let me know. I will drop links to everything below for Fabfitfun Style, for MONAT, and for the Limelife Amazebox and the Limelife website. So feel free to just shop around, look around, and let me know let me know if you have any questions or what kind of videos you'd like to see. Have a great night, guys. Bye.